Okay, so good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. We have a very energetic crowd today. So how's everyone feeling today?
Doing great.
How are you? I'm Liz Sule. I'll be your host for today, and I'm also the marketing staff of Marinova Philippines. It's nice to see all of you very enthusiastic. I love it. It is also my pleasure to welcome everyone to this milestone event as we celebrate the official partnership between Marinova Philippines and the very first Face of Marinova 2025, the newly crowned Miss Grand Philippines 2025, Emma Tiglao. But before we meet her, of course, we'd like to acknowledge and thank our distinguished guests, our media partners, influencers, and friends from the press and media as well, who are here to witness this special moment. Thank you so much for joining us and for helping us share the Marinova story with the world. And please don't forget to share today's highlights using our official hashtag #GlowLikeEmma. That is our official hashtag. And tag us and follow us on our official social media accounts, Marinova Philippines. Okay? And to officially open our program, we are honored to have with us a visionary leader, the chairman of ALB Group of Companies, ALB Pageant Circle, and the National Director of Miss Grand Philippines. Ladies and gentlemen, let us all welcome Sir Arnold L. Vigafree.
ALB! ALB!
Alam mo, the best talaga, the best media are the pageant.
More than 25!
Pageant media. Hello, good afternoon.
Afternoon!
Sorry for the delay. And I'm sure nakakain na, nakamerienda na. So don't worry, after that, we have a best gift na ibibigay natin. Before anything else, I would like to say thank you for joining us today. And I'm very happy that kahit tapos na ang Miss Grand, you know, the media are always with us supporting the Miss Grand Philippines. And of course, this is a very important event for us. It's a partnership between the Marinova Skincare and of course the Miss Grand Philippines and the first ambassador of Marinova in si Emma, the second, no? She's the second. Ambassador of the partnership between Emma Tiglao, the Miss Grand Philippines, and of course Marinova, the emerging brand, skincare brand in the world. Kasi international ang brand, no? It's based in Australia. And, di ba alam niyo, kung alam Philippines na. This company is based in Australia, and this company is international. And Emma, I'm so happy that they chose Emma as the new brand ambassador of the skincare. And after this, we can talk about the plans for Emma, but before anything else, thank you for joining us, and I hope kindly support Marinova. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Sir Arnold, for those inspiring words. And of course, yes, further to Sir Arnold's statement, at Marinova, we believe that beauty should be affordable yet luxurious. Our products combine Swiss clean technology, probiotics for skin health, and nanotechnology for maximum absorption, offering a world-class skincare experience for everyone. From the Philippines to the global stage, Marinova has already established ties in Australia, Dubai, and the US as well. And now, we are here to empower more Filipinos with confidence and wellness. Now, for the woman who embodies grace, confidence, and empowerment, I'm so honored to introduce to you a proud daughter of Mabalacat, Pampanga, a beauty queen, model, and TV host with an inspiring career. She has competed in multiple pageants, including Mutiara Pilipinas 2012, Binibining Pilipinas 2014, and Miss World Philippines 2015, before winning Binibining Pilipinas Intercontinental 2019, representing the Philippines on the global stage. And recently, August 2025, she earned the prestigious title of Miss Grand Philippines International 2025, along with Best in Evening Gown and Best in Swimsuit, and all other awards to name a few. And today, she takes on the new role as the face of Marinova 2025. Ladies and gentlemen, it is my honor to introduce to you the first ever face of Marinova, Miss Emma Mary Tiglao.
Ano yung sonoli?
Hello everyone!
Hi!
Ay, parang wala na kayong energy. Marinova Fresh! Hello everyone!
Hi!
Thank you so much for coming here and for welcoming us. And we're excited sa mga ipapalabas nyo in partnership with Marinova. Excited din ba kayo magamit ang kanilang product?
Of course!
I'm excited also to share to you na marami pa tayong ma-share sa kanila, right, Tita? Okay, let's start here. Grabe, this is my first endorsement after winning Miss Grand Philippines. That's why thank you so much, Tita Marites, and thank you so much, Marinova family, for giving me the trust and opportunity to be your first face of Marinova.
Ayan, okay, so now we come to the highlight of this event, the official contract signing. So today's signing marks the start of a partnership that represents beauty, innovation, and empowerment. So joining us for this historic moment are Mr. Arnold L. Ligafria, the chairman of ALD Group Companies, ALD Pageant Circle and National Director of Miss Grand Philippines, Marites Novis, the CEO of Marinova Philippines, Henry Rea, the COO of Marinova Philippines, and of course, Emma Tiglao, our Miss Grand Philippines International 2025, and the first ever face of Marinova. Again, ladies and gentlemen, let's give them a big round of applause. Welcome to the family, Miss Emma.
I'm excited.
Yes, we can proceed now with the contract signing. So this is truly a defining moment for Marinova, and of course, with Miss Emma Tiglao. And of course, later on, we prepared some gifts for our media partners as well. So you'll get to experience the technology of the Marinova skincare. And we really can't wait to hear your feedback. So if you would like to try it and share your feedback to the world, we're more than happy to see your videos, your reels, any content that you can share with us. Again, with the official hashtag #GlowLikeEmma. Yes, we love you too. And also, please don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok at Marinova Philippines. And we also have our website. Perfect. Yes, po. So now we'd like to open the we'd like to celebrate this milestone by taking a photo op with our
Pwede bang closer? Pwede pong closer. Ayan.
Perfect.
Center po.
so this promises an exciting future filled with confidence, inclusivity, and innovation with Marinova and of course our newest face of Marinova, Miss Emma Tiglao.
Oh, yeah.
Yes.
Yes. Congrats.
Congratulations po. Okay. Thank you so much po. And now would like to open the floor to our media friends. Okay. Let's do another photo op with the Marinova team and sir. Okay, so we can. Yes, now to the question and answer portion. We'd like to open the floor to our media friends for their questions. So, ayan.
Hi, good afternoon. By the way, I'm Nolly for Oakland. Okay. My question is for, my first question is for Emma. Okay, Emma, since your international competition is about to happen in more than, parang more than a month to go na lang ano.
Accepting.
Less
Accepting.
than.
Okay, it will happen in less than a month. Okay. So medyo parang
Sa picture, masyado.
tight yung schedule mo. So among the doon sa mga event or mga segment ng pageant sa Miss Friends International, ano yung saan ka magpo-focus more?
Sir Nolly, how about Marinova?
Mamaya.
Mamaya pa yun.
Ay,
Ayaw niya ipahirap yung mic.
kakalok mo yun. Siguro dyan na lang yung mic.
Oh, dyan lang yung mic.
Oo, dyan na lang.
Oo.
Hello, Tita Dolly. Nice to see you again. So, for your question, kung saan ako mas magpo-focus, wala akong pipiliin na isa kasi gusto ko lahat i-focus ko yan. Actually, nagsa-start na ako with my pasarela training, with the outfits, pasabog outfits na ating ipoprovide, and communication skills. Kailangan natin yan kasi nakita naman natin with Miss Grand International, it's not just about the poses, it's not just about the walk, diba? Hindi lang basta pasabog outfits, pero gusto rin ni Mr. Nawat, good communicator. So I think lahat ipo-focus natin, wala tayong papabayaan na isa doon. And I am thankful kasi I have the best people around me, and of course Sir ELV na lagi naman din akong ginaguide with this one. Let's hope and let's pray for a back-to-back victory, another history for the Philippines.
Yes. So, follow up lang. This is your second international pageant, right?
Yes, Tito.
Oh, okay. So, ano yung pinaka best lesson na pwede mong magamit this time for Miss Grand International?
Pinaka natutunan ko nun talaga ay just enjoy. Kasi after the pageant, you will be friends. You will be sisters. And up until now, I am still communicating with my intercontinental sisters. And that is one lesson that I will bring with Miss Grand International stage. To have the sisterhood. Actually, meron na kaming group chat. So, nagkakaroon na ng communication with some of my grand sisters. So yun siguro talaga, aside from the friendly competition, it's the sisterhood that you will have with the competition.
Thank you. And I have a question for the CEO. Marinova. Hello, ma'am.
Hello.
Okay. My question is, ano yung naging basis nyo para piliin si Emma as the face of Marinova, aside from her physical attributes?
That's a very good question. For all you know, Marinova means beautiful soul. And from the very start, I saw Emma during the first one. You know, like the way she talked and the way she carries herself. She has a very good heart, and we deserve that Marino for her. Thank you.
Hello po. This is Pao, Katay-Tutor. I would like to ask first, of course, this video. Could you share a little story behind anong nangyari sa Marinova from the beginning?
Well, we first launched Marinova in Australia, in Sydney, Australia. And we started this brand actually in 2020 during the pandemic. So, that time, makikita natin na ang mga tao, especially international students, that's how it started. Walang trabaho. So, naisip namin ng aking mga kapatid, na ano ba yung pwede natin magbigay ng trabaho sa mga international students. So, ang skincare kasi, lahat ng tao ginagamit, essential yan eh. Kaya naisip namin, sige, mag-start tayo, ano ba pwede natin ipakita, ibigay globally. And of course, dalahin natin sa Pilipinas. Ganun lang. Simple. In Australia.
Thank you. And of course, Emma. Congratulations.
Thank you so much.
Congratulations. I want to ask, what is your most favorite product from Marinova?
Hirap ng tanong. Lahat favorite ko eh. Lahat favorite ka actually. Kasi na-try ko yung, pero pinaka ginagamit ko talaga yung mist. Kasi we all know, kahit tanongin niyo yung derma nyo, kailangan talaga natin ng protection from the sun. And etong mist na to, napakadali niyang gamitin. Spray mist lang siya. And it has SPF 30, which is very good na rin. Kaya gusto ko siya i-try ninyo. Kasi akala natin, once na tayo maglagay ng sunscreen, all good na. But no. Even here sa lights, kasi natutunan ko yun when I work at Net25, akala ko pag nasa loob, okay lang kahit hindi na mag-sunscreen. Pero no. These lights carry UV rays na hindi rin maganda for our skin. So, yun ang gusto kong i-try nyo rin. Pero lahat dapat na-try nyo.
Yes, definitely. Pero Emma, since as we all know naman in Miss Grand International, the twins are also selling online. So, paano mo isa-sell yan sa public? Through online. Yeah. Parang may pasample naman yung mga ano.
You know what? Sige, sample. Meron na ba tayong ano dyan? To give you like a brief background habang kinukuha lang yung yung product. I am doing live selling even before. I started year 2020 during pandemic kasi I want to do that to help my kids na tinutulungan, my advocacy, the anak balebalayan, of course, the PDLs. So, I don't know kung nakikita nyo ba sa Facebook ko yung live selling ko na yon. Medyo mahirap mag-live selling, pero I think yun na rin talaga yung way para matulungan ka to be a businesswoman eh. Diba? Akala kasi nila parang, ay, nagla-live selling siya. Hindi. Mahirap mag-live selling. Nakakatuyo ng lalamunan. Diba? Kailangan talaga alam mo paano ibenta yung product mo. So, eto na.
Yan.
Sample.
Let's start with Glow. Glow with Emma. This is Ultra Brightening Beauty Oil. This is multi-active essential oil blend. Sino ba hindi magkakagusto nito, di ba? This is the one that you need. If you're on the go, you need this Glow by Marinova.
Bongga!
Next naman.
Sino bibili? Ay, nakuli ako mag-next hanggang walang bibili nito. Mine na po.
Kung magiging kasing ganda mo, pabibili ko ngayon niya.
Next, ay for giveaway. For now lang ha, bibili kayo next time. Next, we have this Lift EGF Perfection Peptide Cell Renewal Serum. It will rebuild and regenerate your skin. If you want to always be right, go with this Lift.
Wow!
May lambing sa
Ang alan. Parang papawisan ko. Parang pre-measure mo naman ako ba? Oh, ito sabi ko sa inyo. Aside from mist, ito din yung maganda. Ewan ko, nahilig talaga ako sa sun care moisturizer. This one is Protect. You need this one because it has SPF 50, not 10, not 20, not 30. It's 50.
Pwede.
Bago mag-proceed yung isang bibili mo na. Wala na tayong bell dito.
Thank you.
Thank you, pal.
Sino na?
Hi, Emma.
Ay, ang ganda! Babae.
Si
Emmy.
My name is Jojo Mabanas from the Pageantry Platform. So yung question ko lang naman is, as a beauty queen and a public figure, how do you plan to use your influence to support Marinova's goal?
Anyway, I am planning to use it, of course, by first of all using it, first-hand experience it. That's why I am here, not just to sell this product, but for you guys to trust also this product. And I will use my social media platform because we all know right now this is a very powerful tool, hindi ba? It's not just about live selling, it's not just about posting, but I want to sell it like this is backed by science, but created with care. Kaya siya maganda.
Ayan! Prepared! Charot!
Tapos na po. Let's go naman. Tapos baka, pwedeng ano ba yun? Pag nakapunta ako Australia, pwede bumalik ulit. May free trip, no? Kasama yun sa prize.
Wow!
Yun lang, thank you.
Thank you so much.
Sino ako na?
Go.
Hi, Emma. I'm Emmy. Charot. I'm Emmy.
Parang kaya kayo introduction.
Okay, start with Jay.
Emmy Barbo from Las Marinas. Charot. Well, first, congratulations for winning Miss Grand International Philippines. And being the first ever face of Marinova. So I just want to ask about, since the competition is fast approaching, so how was your preparation now?
Actually, I don't know the word sleep right now. I only know the word nap or power nap. As you all know, I came back from Iligan. Last night I was there to judge with CJ also. So, pinagsasabay-sabay ko lahat yan. Endorsement, the work on the side, trainings, of course, my TV show. Nanonood ba kayo ng Net24?
Of course!
Kakagaling ko lang dun last week. Ngayon lang ako nag-leave. Dahil kailangan kong gampanan, eto nga, the endorsements and other work from Miss Grand Philippines. So, dadagdagan ko lang yung 4 B's ni Mr. Nawat. It's another B, balance.
Wow! Ang dami!
Baon!
Baon!
Another B! Kailangan marami tayong baon. Wait, dapat yung uubusin. Kailangan pa natin ito sa Thailand.
Alright. Thank you so much, Emma. And my next question is for the CEO of Marinova.
Miss Marintes.
Hi, may baon ka rin ba? Hello po, Miss Marites. I'm just curious about how did you formulate the word Marinova, where it came from?
Experiment.
Pangalan niya. Oh, bongga And, sorry po, I don't have beautiful soul eh. Charos! My follow-up question for you is, so you have mentioned a while ago that you've started since 2020.
2020.
So I'm just curious about what was your first product that you formulate?
Other questions. Sabi nga nila, kami raw ang kaunahan ng company, skincare company, na nag-launch ng sabay-sabay.
Oh.
Yan. 9 products agad. 9 products agad.
Alright. Sige po. Thank you so much. And congratulations. How was the culture shock? Charot.
Wala siyang baon.
Oh, Doc Peter. Naubusan. Go. Oh my
Naubos ka ng baon.
Perfect.
Kayo po.
High budget!
Yeah.
Letter B. Letter B.
Another B.
Another B for the budget.
Hello po, may budget.
Good afternoon po. My name is Franz and in pageant they call me Mars.
In showbiz.
Showbiz, mga Franz. Question for the CEO. May background po ba kayo in aesthetic or what? Kaya kayo nakapag-form?
I'm very fortunate, no? Kasi it's my brother.
Oh.
Siya may background.
May science background.
Science background.
So in terms of formulation, well, going back to my background, yeah, I did a degree in respiratory therapy, also in nursing. I also work in the intensive care unit until such time that I work in cosmetic surgical center. Yeah, so marami kami mga cases ng mga pasyente, and from there, dun ko nakita yung mga magagandang active ingredients and formulations, and of course the product itself, na talagang napaka-high quality, and that's why we ended up coming to the Philippines for the Philippine market to try a luxurious yet affordable skincare product. Yeah. So in terms of formulation, yeah. So we actually come up getting this formulation from Switzerland, and of course now we are partnering as well with Korea para tumugma sa balat nating mga Pilipino. Because if you're going to check the Korean skincare products, they are perfectly good, I mean, great products. But then you wouldn't see any active ingredients that will help at least enlighten our skin. So when we went to Korea in November, we really made sure that for like my brown skin color, I need this ingredient, that we have to put this ingredient to this product that will be coming for us. Yeah. So we also, there are so many products in the Philippines, and then one thing that we would like to ensure is we use the probiotic technology to make our skin healthier. So kung may mga free radicals or any allergens that run to your skin, hindi siya agad mag-trigger na mag-develop sa acne. And as well as the nanotechnology, we make sure that the particle of the product is perfectly in nano size, so that it can really penetrate the skin. Plus the liposome technology, if you have this niacinamide, retinol, and for example hyaluronic acid, the liposome technology will actually encapsulate everything, and then in nano-sized particles, so it can penetrate the skin. Once it enters the skin, it will break and then distribute the active ingredients. So by then, masasabi natin na in and out ang epekto ng ating Marinova. So that is something na gusto namin na makilala ng Philippine market. Yeah.
And all of your products is coming from Australia, and then
Yeah.
shipped to
So and then we are now actually we collab with a team Korean laboratory, because we wanted to enhance. Kasi syempre iba yung weather sa Australia, iba yung weather sa Pilipinas. Yeah. So we don't want you guys to develop any problems sa skin, because hindi naman match yung ingredients. So yeah. So it's back by science. Emma says.
Back by science.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. And my question is for Emma. Since
Yes, Mars.
you mentioned earlier that you already have a GC with your grand sister. question is, kanino ka kinakabahan na for the Miss Grand Philippines? Or sino ang kailangan namin i-check out?
Actually, hindi ko pa talaga, di ba, malalaman mo yan kapag na-meet mo in person. So, wala pa talaga. Parang ang gusto ko lang muna dito ay makabuild ako ng relationship with my grand sisters. Wala pa munang kaba-kaba. Friend-friend muna lahat. So, gusto ko man lang talaga ma-meet sila in person. Iba kasi pag na-meet na natin sila in person. That's why I'm so excited. Few more weeks na lang, then I'll be flying na to Thailand.
And follow-up question, what Filipino traits are you bringing to the Miss Grand International?
Hala, hindi to be. Letter P. Palaban. Diba? I am bringing the palaban side of the Filipino, pero in a good way naman. Hindi naman palaban na wala ka nang papansinin, diba? And another thing is also, kung palaban ka, another trait is being hospitable, being friendly sa mga candidates. Yun naman yung magandang dalhin doon. Knowing the Filipinos. Kaya naman, I am also requesting the fans. Alam ko palaban tayo, pero please be kind with your words. Diba? Let's just support.
Thank you. And last question for ALB. ALB, since maganda yung track record natin, most especially in your pageant, nakauwi tayo ng mga crowns. And ano sa palagay mo yung strength ni Emma na makukuha natin yung back?
Wow. Parang she's a perfect epitome of the requirements of Miss Grand. But you can see kay CJ, you can see her also sa kanya, di ba? Parang it's a complete requirements of the queen of Miss Grand International. And I'm so positive. That's why we were talking a while ago that I can feel and I can sense na baka this time this is the first time we will do the back-to-back. That's really what we're aiming for. That's why we're gonna work so hard para mabigyan natin naman ng magandang honor ang ating country to win a back-to-back crown sa Miss Grand International.
Thank you, and see you in October.
See you all in October, ha?
Yes!
Thank you.
So, ang tagline ng Marinova is discover the secret of the Philippines. So, Emma,
Na-discover nyo na. It's not a secret anymore.
you have another secret that you can share.
I think it's just being happy, being grateful with what you have right now. Gusto ko lang i-share, maybe because the fans were enjoying nung pinapanood ako sa Miss Grand Philippines, because I was also enjoying it every moment. And I am just grateful that I was also given another opportunity to compete again, because I thought signing off na, pero may signing in ka pala. So I think that's the another secret aside from skincare, di ba? Skincare is best confidence booster eh. Pero another thing is you being happy, you knowing yourself other than other people. So ganoon lang siya, being grateful always.
And then, how important is this partnership?
Very important because Tita Martes is very supportive.
Yeah.
And alam naman natin, kailangan talaga natin ng skincare everyday. With you guys, with me, lalo na sa akin kasi everyday makeup yan, di ba? And we need na good skincare talaga para maalagaan talaga yung skin natin. And good skin, talagang Marinova ang itatrust mo. And I'm so happy because this is the first endorsement nga after winning. And you guys are here. And you will try it. That's why, very, very happy, Tita. Thank you so much. And sabi nga kanina ni Sir Henry, ito yung kakaiba dito sa Marinova. Ginamitan nila ng probiotics. And liposome technology.
Wow! Na-memorize!
Huwag niyo ubusin!
I am Ferdy from Eventology.
Iba ang intro.
Yes. Ang tagal ng pageant, parang isang buwan yata. So, syempre, hectic yung schedule mo. Are you bringing Marinova products to help you with the pageant, plus also to give out to other candidates?
Of course. Diba? Kaya dadagdagan ni Sir AL din aking baggage. Another B.
Baggage!
No, kidding aside, I will bring some for me and of course for my grand sisters, for them to try it. Kasi this is one thing na may pagmamalaki din natin. It's a Filipino product and we need to support our own. Diba? Support local. So, yeah. But internationally made, distributed by Australia and Korea. O, saan ka pa?
So parang dadaling yata ni Miss Marites sa Thailand.
Magdadagdag siya na?
Baggage! Miss Marites, congratulations po. Parang na-try ko yung product mo parang 2020 pa yata to. Di ba? When you were trying out the product sa mga kaibigan natin, samples. Yeah.
Oh, naguglo!
Yun pa yung secret.
Yun ang secret. That's my secret. Ayan. Miss Marites, how important na si Emma yung unang pinili mo as the face of Marinova?
Oh well, knowing Emma, talagang nag-google ko yung Emma Tiglaw.
Wow!
Sa net 25 pa lang. And ang madapayan na mag-fashion show sa Australia. Talagang nakita ko kung paano niya ibangon ang sarili niya. Kaya very important of B. Another B.
Bangon! Yeah. Another question, you are also an organizer for pageants in Australia. So, are you getting the Australian franchise for Miss Grand Philippines?
Definitely.
Wow!
Yeah.
100%.
Yeah. Ayan na. ALB may franchise na. Yeah. So, ALB may second ano ba to? May second year of sponsoring ba si Marinova?
Sabi ko nga kung pwede hanggang nandito kami, nandyan siya. Like the other brands, diba? From the very beginning, I started in the pageant business. Up to now, they're still there. They're very loyal. I'm very loyal to my companies that that who are very supportive to us. And I hope we can still continue our relationship between our company and, of course, Marinova.
Thank you. Good luck.
Thank you po.
Next one. Ay, tayo ka. Tayo ka naman. Di ka makita naman ni Another B. Another B.
Merong binigay na standard si meron ka bang
Anong standard? Standard fan.
pasabog na
Parang trade. Oh.
Trademark.
Pasabog.
Siyempre, hindi ko mapapakita ngayon. Ang daming camera sa atin. Pero of course, ginagawa na namin yan together with Mommy G. And of course, with the help also with ALB Pageant Circle. Kaya maglalabas tayo. So, the one that you saw during Miss Grand Philippines, another na naman yun. It's a different version of Emma that you will see sa Miss Grand International stage. So, yun lang muna yung masasabi ko ngayon. Hindi ko po kaya mag-tumbling, baka baunin ko na lang muna si Chelsea. Pero, siguro, instead of me doing the tumbling, sana mapatumbling na lang natin yung mga audience.
Dami ba ako?
Tatatumbling niya yung mga...
Banga!
Ako po. Joy po from Net25.
Net 25 po.
Hi po, Miss Emma. So first question po is, how do you intend to use your voice po to support po Marinova and empowering Filipinos po to embrace their beauty and confidence?
As I've said a while ago, I will use, of course, my social media platform because this is a very powerful platform. Marinova kasi walang age eh. Parang any age pwede mong gamitin aside from, syempre, mga bata, no? Hindi pa. So, doon ko talaga pinakamagagamit yung voice ko for me to promote Marinova. And I think kapag naman nagbanggit ka, being a storyteller, kapag alam nila na ginagamit mo talaga, tinatrust ka nila, then they will use it also. Di ba kaya tayo napapamay kapag may live selling? Yes. Kasi we trust the seller na talagang ginagamit niya and maganda yung product. Siguro that's the one thing I will do.
Thank you po. I have a question po sa Marinova team po. So first of all po, para po malaman po namin yung pinanghuhugutan po ni Marinova, meron po bang special moment na na-realize nyo na it's time to introduce Marinova to the world?
Okay. So it's because of the positive feedbacks of the people, and that really inspired us to continue to bring this to Philippines, to US, and and this is actually up for distributorships and franchisee kind of business. So yeah, so dun talaga yung simula. From the positive feedbacks ng mga taong gumamit na. Kasi otherwise, of course, normally, it will just the trust for people.
Next naman po, how did you introduce Marinova to Miss Emma po?
Okay. So we introduced, during the yung journey nila sa Gala Night, our marketing team has to present our like that. And from there, nagkaroon lang talagang fair kind of information sa bawat candidate. And natutuwa kami kasi not just Emma but also other candidates are so cooperative na alam mo na i-promote at makuha din sana yung crown as or title as Face of Marinova. But fortunately, we also found the right person. Si Emma Diglang ngayon. And we're so happy. So happy. Yeah.
Thank you so much po.
Ay, walang mic. Wala na.
Nakasama na lang.
I've got a question for Miss Emma and then the owners of Marinova. I'll start off with Miss Emma. How does it feel like to be quote-unquote the presumptive winner or front-runner of the upcoming pageant, just basing from the fan leaderboards that has been made since your crowning moment 2 weeks ago? Do you feel any pressure doing well in the competition? Number one ka kasi may isang pageant site na talagang I've been following na reliable indicator or accurate in predicting even though he's not covering on the ground. Tapos lo and behold, number one.
This is for Miss Grand.
Yeah, international. Yeah, di ba number one ka nire-repost mo sa stories?
Oh, yes.
Siya yun.
You know what? I am really grateful with this media na nakikita nila tayo, nakikita ang Philippines as number one. Yes, there's pressure, pero for me, it's kind of more of motivation. So instead of me pressuring myself negatively, I will turn it positively na we need it. I need this for more drive so that we can represent more the Philippines and train harder so that we can aim for a back-to-back victory. And I know that with my Miss Grand Philippine sisters like Samantha Bernardo, Sam Pandillo, and other queens na I can get more tips or advice sa kanila so that guided tayo for the Miss Grand International. I just want to say na ang dami ko nga nare-repost doon na hindi man one pero mostly nasa pasok naman tayo sa kanila. So I am really grateful na nakikita nila tayo and I hope na ma-maintain natin yon up until the end.
Since na-reveal mo na you've been you're open to advice from your predecessors, have you may nabigay na ba sila sa yung input or advice like sina CJ, sina Samantha Bernardo?
Ang nakakausap ko pa lang ay si CJ. Last night pa lang to, fresh na fresh kasi busy din siya with all the schedule and work, diba? Yes, we were together in Iligan. So, medyo pumapahapyaw na ako. Di ba? Wala tayong pinapalampas na time. So, yun pa lang. And I'm planning to talk also with Sam Bernardo, which is my sister, and other girls. So, lahat kakausapin ko. And with ALV also, Sir ALV. Kasi sila naman din talaga yung nakakaalam with this one. We all know na different pageants, different din yung kanilang hinahanap. So, tatry natin yan na gawan lahat ng paraan.
Thank you. And then kay Ma'am po, I'm curious to ask, no, this is the first time we've seen you go mainstream for Marinova. I wonder what made you decide to dip your toes in the world of pageantry instead of, you know, getting a celebrity, an actress, more high-profile celebrity in endorsing your products po. Ano po nakita, and now that you chose pageantry, the route of pageantry, ano nakita nyo sa Miss Grand Philippines? Why you chose specifically this pageant system to be the instrument in promoting your products po?
Kasi ang pageantry kasi is worldwide. And ano mo, since talagang kinicarry nila is, well, celebrity of course is beauty, strength, and empowerment. Yun yung nakikita ko. Yeah, with pageantry.
Bakit po Miss Grand Philippines? Marami pong pageants sa Pilipinas.
Why not? Why not? Pag manayan sa
nakita ko kasi talagang sobrang yung noise. Nasa Miss Grand. Especially nung press con, talagang sobrang na-inspire ako. Sabi ko, ako sana meron dito sa Australia. Sobrang lahat ng candidates, magaganda, and smart. Yung noise nasa Miss Grand.
Wow! Thank you po. Thank you po.
Okay na? More?
Si Tristan.
Tristan? Last one. Last one. Tristan?
Hi, Emma from TPP. I mean, first of course, I already congratulated you, Chori, when you were crowned.
Ang first nag-interview sa akin.
Oh, syempre, di ba? Second is, paano mo mai-bridge ang gap ng beauty pageant requirements when it comes to the physical beauty that we can connect now with Marinova products, and yung need ng Miss Grand International to bridge the factors between warring countries between Cambodia and Thailand, and now the issues now that we have in Indonesia. Tapos mamaya, ang pang third question ko, paano mo ngayon maidudugtong yung issue sa Indonesia sa issue dito sa Pilipinas ngayon? Kasi Congress din yung involved eh. Kaya mo yan!
Grabe!
Question pero pasabo.
Kasi nakaupo na ako doon, tinawag-tawag pa.
So, let's start with the first one. Thank you so much po. Congratulations. Para sunod-sunod yan. The second one, siguro, I will connect it. Marinova kasi is something na for everyone. And kapag ginagamit mo siya, I think, yun tulad ng sinabi ko kanina, good skin is the best confidence booster. So kapag meron ka magandang skin, di ba, kahit no makeup tayo, parang we're confident to go out, di ba, to show people. And sabi nga, Marinova is soulful beauty. It's not just about having a beautiful skin, but you being confident on the inside. It radiates kasi.
Tsaka beauty and peace can go hand in hand naman,
of
diba?
Of course. If you have confidence, if you know yourself really well, then you're at peace. Diba? So I think kasi
diba?
it doesn't mean naman when we talk about war and conflict, it doesn't mean that it's all about guns and bombs, diba? We all have our war on the inside.
Yes, inner peace.
Diba? Inner. Kaya meron tayong tinatawag na inner peace. Diba? So the third one, ang hirap ng third one.
Kaya mo yan, newscaster.
Well, as a news anchor, we need to see the two sides. We need to hear two different stories first before tayo mag-comment. But it's all about the accountability of our leaders. So what I am trying to say here is we all have our voice, diba? So kailangan gamitin natin yon. It's right now they have the power. The government has the power. But we also have the power. Makikita natin yun during election. So I hope that we will use that power so that hindi tayo ang maagrabyado sa susunod.
In English naman this time.
It's all about the quality.
Not the quantity.
Thank you so much. Yun naman din talaga eh. As long as we are updated with the current issues, marami ng fake news all around. Diba? With the social media platforms, madami na kayong nababasa. But I hope that you will also do multiple sources. Diba?
Yes!
Gusto, sugod din tayo.
Did you see what
Yes! Sinunog nila yung House of Representatives.
Do you think Filipinos can do that also?
Yes! Tara na!
We should, pero yung puso kasi natin iba eh.
That's true. Iba kasi yung puso ng Pilipino. Pero I hope gagamitan din natin siya na utak.
Mapagpatawad ang Pilipino.
Diba? Mapagpatawad pero sana wag naman
maging makakalimutin.
You see what happened to Vietnam, di ba? The leader, former leader nila. Di ba? Ano nila?
Sinunog. Sinunog. Okay na?
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
We can use this platform, this Grand Philippines, in peace, against violence and war. And we have to have peace. But of course, the government also, the leaders of the government should make an act also na iwasan ang corruption. Kasi Filipinos are the one paying taxes. I think that will be our next goal and advocacy.
Thank you so much po. That was such a very productive and noteworthy question and answer portion. Certainly, Miss M is ready for the international stage, no? Wouldn't you agree?
Of course!
Of course! Exactly. And so, ayan po ngayon, I'd like to again congratulate Miss M Matiglao and of course, Marinova Philippines and Miss Grand Philippines for such an amazing partnership that we're witnessing now. And before we proceed with another photo op, and if there are one-on-one interviews, we'd like to invite our CEO to officially close our contract signing event. Ms. Marites Novis.
Hello, good afternoon again, everyone. First of all, thank you so much for being here. I know everybody's all busy, so thanks for your time. And of course, thank you, Mr. Arnold Vegafria, for giving us opportunity. And of course, Emma, we are truly honored. We're very happy. Marinova family. You embody elegance, strength, and authenticity. That's why we are very blessed. To our friends from the media, our partners, and everyone who joined us today, thank you for your time, your trust, and your support. This is only the beginning of something greater. Marinova is committed to making affordable luxury accessible to everyone, not just in the Philippines, but across the globe. Together, let's continue to inspire confidence and celebrate beauty in all its forms. Thanks again, and hope to see you again next month.
Closer.
Perfect.
Perfect.
And don't forget forget to share your photos and videos with our official hashtag #GlowLikeEmma.
Glow like Emma.
Kasama ang hashtag.
Wala ko nakitang hashtag.
Glow like Emma, glow like Emma.
Like Emma.
Glow like ano sa dito.
Ang dami pa.
For everyone who'd like to try, please, we'd love to hear your feedback on the product.
Yay!
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Doc,